Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro ginigilong ki khubor bamantagasngi. Usaleng e sangma u President ka National Congress Party NCP minha ka arflai turik ukala lingkon ulalit pyniasoh no bagaseng Congress ha office trekam jongka ha Congress Bhawan Shillong. Ya usaleng e sangma ubade U MLA ka Kambigri constituency is Garo Hills district lapriang sobha ya uda uba Vincent H Pala u President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haringkat ka jingdan nang uba PNCM working president ka MPCC. Shuaban priang buromi usaleng e sangma bat ki weipat ki MDC usaleng e sangma ulalit ai shithi in okam kumu MLA ka Kambigri constituency sha secretary commissioner ka Meghalaya Assembly u Andrew Simon. Usaleng e sangma uday marway u MLA na kaseng National Congress Party ubla job laisin kanthi kumu MLA na katay ka constituency.
It's very crystal clear actually. We have seen, one of the building getting collapsed and lots of area, lots of area where needed to be, finished and not finishing. Even our Chief Minister inaugurating, which is not yet finished. So I did not have to say anything. It's the picture which is very clear, loud and clear. So I don't have to, propagandize everything. No need, not required like that. What do you call it? I'm not a futurist actually. No, I'm the psychologist or anything like that. So let the people make a choice. Now we are giving a platform to the people to make a choice. So this is this Congress. I have not seen I was in the Congress before, and I'm in the Congress even now. I'm already in the Congress now. So that way, what we are thinking is that maybe we can give a better future for the people. This is what we want. The person who kicked out, the person who kicked out are no longer there. That is one thing. Another thing is that he was a coward. He could not stick, with the Congress. That's why he left Congress and he joined TMC. So that's why I'm in.
No, I would put an answer for that in terms of the perspective, because the very leader which we got here is a man of principles, he is a man of value, he is a man of humility, a very humble nature. So that itself is an inspiration. It's quite seductive, for people to kind of come and join us. Yeah, I'm seeing that, I'm experiencing
that. That is also very.
So that is one way of inspiration for Salang, because we have been talking for some time, and that is one of the reasons for him coming back to us. And Congress as a party, if you really look at it nationally also, we are the ones, from the time of independence or prior to that one also, we always had alternate views and alternate opinions. We have people going out from us only when there is a motivation of power or some other sort of attraction other than this. So we are a party which is largely accommodative of multiple views, multiple interests. Sometimes it happens, and we are ready to take back the people who align with our ideology and principles at any point in time. That's where we should look at it from the positive perspective.
I was hanging at the back. I was not even getting a chair inside. So that's a simple common man example. So I don't want to speak beyond that.